Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add custom code or text in room page and WP Hotel booking plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our default plugin page and this page has no ID. Now you see no edit. So we are going to add or integrate code. So we are using this hotel plugin WP Hotel Booking. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. And we are going to add action hook. By using action hook we are going to add custom code. Now go to search plugin. In search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. And then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section, open. And then you can add title, then you see code preview. Now paste code and you will find this code format in video description or in comment section. So this is our custom code. Now you see add action hook hotel underscore booking underscore before underscore room underscore loop. So this is our action hook. And then you see function name. So you can add your custom code or text here instead of this code. So you can modify this section. So by using this code we are going to display some text. So you can modify this code according to requirement. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, no active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. So by using this action hook, so we are going to target room page. Now go to room page and refresh the page, and we are using WP Hotel Booking plugin. And then you see code edit and we display code before room loop. So this is our room. And then you see custom code. So you can add or customize code according to requirement. So you can use this section. And then you see loop close. And in this section you can add your custom code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.